how to print out a list of your annual inspections by map page for the year. What we're going to do is log in using our unique username and password, because we're going to be creating our own filter within the database, and when you're logged in as the engine company, you will not be able to access that feature. Once you're logged in as yourself, you'll see the main login screen here. Because we're going to print out a report, we want to click on the Reports button, which takes us to the Reports module. We're going to be creating our own filter, so we want to click on Advanced Filter. It's going to bring us to this screen here where we create our filter for the database information. We're going to click on the plus sign next to Inspection. We're going to click on Inspection Type. Our operation is going to be equal to, and we're going to highlight Commercial, so it reads Commercial here. We're going to add it, so you see our information populating here. The next thing we're going to do is ask for inspections assigned to, our operation is equal to. Now you're going to select the engine company that you want to see the inspections for. So we're going to use 2541A. When we click Add, it's asking if you want this condition to be an AND or an OR. Remember, we want to go with AND because when we click on AND and we see our strand here, we want to ask for an inspection that's equal to commercial and that's assigned to 2541A. We want to make sure that as we continue to add strands into our filter here, that we have AND highlighted, because every time we pick another selection over here, it's going to follow it in the same string. So we have AND selected. Now we're going to pick our scheduled range. We're going to pick on scheduled. Our operation is going to be on or after. The date is going to be January 1st, 2014. We're going to add that in, and you see our line, our filters start to develop here. So what we're asking the database so far is an inspection that's equal to commercial, that's also assigned to 2541A, that also is scheduled on or after January 1st, 2014. And now to show us what we have to complete, we want to make sure our AND is highlighted. We click on Completed. Our operation has no value, and what that means is there's no information put on the completed date, which tells us that the inspection has not been completed yet. We're going to click Add, and that completes our filter search because we have an inspection that's commercial, that's assigned to 2541A, that's scheduled on or after January 1st, 2014, and completed has no value. So now that we have our filter, we're going to select it, see our information populate here. The report that we want to select is under Address and Occupancy, and the list we want is Occupancy Listing 2 by map page. Double click on it just to preview our list. Zoom in so we can see our list, and now we have every inspection that's assigned to 2541A listed in order by map page and also by address. And that's how you print out your assigned inspections for the year. And the only thing you'll have to do to change that to the other shifts is reopen your filter, and you change 2541A to, if you're on the B shift, you click on the B shift and update it, and follow the same process to get your list. And that's how you print out your list of annual inspections by map page.